Hey guys, this is my LTA Cypher, and I have never tried to rap before, so this was an interesting yet fun experience. I hope you enjoy it. People generally say, oh look, there's Liz. That girl ain't much of a freaking whiz. But hey, stop hating. I'm more impressive than two giraffes mating. I may not get many views on my videos, but at least I'm not one of those slutty ass hoes. Someone once commented, "Teacher, get the fuck off," so here you go. I'm not showing you what I got. I recently joined the LTA, and I don't regret that freaking day. So this is it for my rap. What do you think? I don't give a crap. So there's really no one else to call out. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I'm more impressive than two giraffes mating.